Okay, students, our next topic is about human values. Human values, human values and ethics. So, this topic I think it's a general topic. You can write whatever story you wanted to put it. So, human value is very important, right? And ethics also is important. So, it is kind of ethics, we can say that it's a philosophy, what is good for the individual and for society. So, that is what. So, individuality, what is good? And the same thing will be good for the society also. So ethics and moral, we need a very important quality which the whole society needs in the time of our, for example, this pandemic, if you take the country which has good moral and ethics, they have a good discipline among them, unity among them, so the pandemic will be reduced. Example is China. So they were able to control it because of this strict. So that is very important. We need to have proper discipline if we have ethics. So ethics is very much concerned with what is good for us, analyzing and evaluation. So that is very important. And what is the benefits of doing that ethics is it will create a good image for you in the society, and it will give you some confidence on you. So in the construction site, the manager may not have all the knowledge that he needs to be, but if he tries to act that I'm having all this knowledge, he is not going to learn the things. But in the same way, he is a little bit honest towards what is he is knowing. Slowly he can understand, and everybody will be trying to teach them. That is what something you will get it from the universe, from the God of heaven above. So the moral and ethics, everybody likes. That is what it will improve the employee's performance. It will give the employee a good, peace of mind, which will improve the productivity. So that is very important. It will make him understand what is good and what is not good for them. It will make the people to support other people. Totally, if we support others, automatically it'll start grow together. So that is very important things to get a strong image in the public, to be more successful. So that is what ethics. So it's a branch of philosophy that defines what is good and for the individual and for the society, and establish the nature of the obligations that people owe themselves and one another. So the liberalization and globalization being sweep changes in the concept of doing business, but the major product by like corruption, favoritism, nepotism, deterioration of the human values, scam in the business and government policies. That is more in our field actually. So ethics is concerned with this honesty, integrity, commitment, abiding by the rules, and dignity, responsible to pursue the excellence, press on to the perfection, being accountable for one's own decision. That is what important in it. So morals is some kind of standards, which is right and wrong concept. So there are different ways to we can achieve this by moral beliefs. 6 ways are helpful in acquiring a moral beliefs by authority, logic, sense of the experience, emotion, intuition, and science. So we can achieve this. Professional ethics is a very great subject. Professionalism, which just talks about what is good and what is not good and what you can maintain it. So when you have to say some matters, when you should not reveal the things. So all this combination of philosophy is called professional ethics. So values. So mostly the source of values is the parents, family. Next is the teacher and friends. Nowadays friends is very important thing. I think we can put extra like WhatsApp and this thing. So social media also. They also give some values. So everything is good if you use it properly. Especially the social media, you can use it for good also. You can use it for wrong purpose also, right? For example, there are so many people are learning different Python and different skills from the social Facebook and all because their offer is good. People those who have got knowledge from certain things, they are giving the code and username and password because you are a friend, so you can get it. So that's what it is. The values and all, it depends on how the human being is grasping at the particular state. So that is what. So even though these are the different sources, but values is something a person should get its own time, I think. So Albert Einstein tried not to become a man of success, but rather tried to be a man of value. So this is what Albert Einstein says. So the core human values: truth, love, peace, right conduct, non-violence, which is needed in the time of our, which give you peace, ultimate peace. So these are the different positive values you have: integrity, self-respect, modesty, patience, creativity, sacrifice, gentleness, harmlessness, purity of the heart, truth, honesty. Negative values: impatience, greed, blind faith, irrational, arrogance, cunningness, narrow mindedness. So, two things were there exist in our body, but which one we are feeding in depends the goal, how you are going to run it next. So, conflicts of interest, when it comes, there will be a problem. So, how to manage the conflict of interest? So, wherever the conflict of interest is happening, there some kind of misunderstanding will happen, disobedience will come. So that time we have to manage in a professional manner. So whistleblowing, so it's a very important concept. Whistleblowing is kind of two types were there. One is internal whistleblowing, second is external whistleblowing. It may be an important question. So whistleblowing is some kind of mistakes a person find out. It is kind of any mistakes happened or something. The whistleblower, what he will do, he'll try to expose that by different ways. That is what whistleblowing. So nowadays, there are so many whistleblowers were there, internally and externally. For example, in the class, so some teacher is not able to teach or communicate to your level. So some people will expose it in some one or the other way. That is, they'll communicate, and from that, people will get understand and they'll start making progress. So that is what whistleblowing. So some kind of whistleblower is a person who exposes any kind of activity which is not ethical. That is what whistleblowing. Internal whistleblowing means if the company, some whistleblower will be there, he will expose that inside the company's authority to someone. External whistleblowing means he will take into the media. So that is what external whistleblowing. So these are the different things about the human values. If you read it, you will understand it. You can write your own story because moral and human values, people always knows that. So by this, we are going to complete our module 3. So please prepare whenever time you get. We'll see in the module 4 next week. Thank you. I hope you understood all the topics till date.